Hey everyone, welcome to this video. We're about to study how reinforcement learning and large language model. My name is Dito, and today I will explain the key ideas in a simple way and let's get started. So in this video, we'll cover what is reinforcement learning, how reinforcement learning help large language model, tools and training step for large language model, and why learning all the time is important. Tips for using large language models, how to stay updated, study tip for Discord. And let's start with what a reinforcement learning is. So what is reinforcement learning? So reinforcement learning, or RLs, is a way for computers to learn by trying things and getting rewards. Unlike normal learning, where computers use label data, RL lets them learn by making choice and seeing what happens. An agent or computer program making decisions, it interact with an environment. Environment here mean a situation or a problem. It takes action and getting the reward. So the action and the reward here, it mean a good or bad result. The goal is to get the most reward over time. Some reward it come later, so reinforcement learning help balance immediate reward versus the long-term rewards. Now, let's see how reinforcement learning makes language model better. So reinforcement learning is used to improve large language models so they can answer questions better and sound more natural. A big part of this is having good training data. So one well-known example is InstructGPT. And what is InstructGPT? Is it a version of GPT-3 designed to follow instruct better? It is trained in 3 steps. Collecting a good example. It means expert give a correct response for it. Second, training a reward system. The model learns what humans like. And last, fine-tuning with reinforcement learning. It practice to get better over time. The goal to improve an answer while avoiding a mistake. So large language model can use extra tool to give a better answers. This includes searching the web, using a calculator, or running code. They can learn how to use tool through training. This helps them find correct information and reduce the mistake. Training a large language model has a different step. So let's go over them. So here we have a 3 major training state. First, pre-training. The model gonna read a lot of text from the internet. Second, supervised fine-tuning. Experts help it to learn better answers. And number 3, reinforcement learning. The model will improve by practicing. This process makes the model better over time. And now let's talk about why learning never stops. So why we should continue learning. So learning doesn't stop after training. AI need to keep learning to stay up to date and accurate. And so best practice for using large language model. So treat large language model as a assistive tool, not a build source. Verify their output and be aware of limitations. Providing context and specific instruction improve the results, and use code or calculator for a math question. So want to stay updated, and here how. So you need to tracking the large language model process. So do a leaderboard, let leaderboard like EI Marina to see the best models. Follow a new AI updates to see what's changing. And so here I have a few study tips for this course. So this course is a self-paced, so you can learn anytime. Trying to follow the suggested schedule to stay on track. Join the Discord study group to talk with other classmates. Do quizzes and assignments to test your learning. Now let's summarize everything that we learned today. So here are a few key takeaways. So reinforcement learning help models learn by trying different actions and get rewards. Reinforcement learning improve the large language model by aligning them with human needs. Tools make large language model more useful and accurate for humans. Learning never stops, and model need to update. Stay curious and keep learning. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Have any question? Drop them in the comment. Thank you for watching and happy learning.